Hello friend, welcome you all to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about Zotero Reference Manager, and in my previous tutorial I have discussed about how you can download and install the software in your system and what are the possible problems that may you face during the installation and how you can solve those problems using different approaches. But today I am going to discuss rest of the thing that is necessary for the Zotero Reference Manager. So after installation the software, first thing I suggest you visit the zotero.org and make your account here. If you click here on the login, register for a free account, this will open a window. You can create an account free of cost here. I have already created my account, so I'm going to just log in this account. So you can see they have online web library, so you can store your references in that library. At the right side you can see upgrade storage plan, and here you can see they provide 300 MB space to save your references free of cost for forever. But and if you want to get more storage, you have to take their plans. You can take any plans according to your requirement. Now I'm going to discuss about the Zotero desktop software. So at the top you can see these are the ribbon tabs: file, edit, view, tools, help, and below this these are the menu option for many purpose, and this is the panel for collection pane. So you it is just like a file explorer where you can see your folder files in that particular location. So just like that, it is the collection pane where you can see my library and the folder available in that particular library, and you can categorize your references by keeping particular type of the references in the respective folder. And the second major panel is like item pane. So if you click any folder here, this will show the references available in that particular folder. And if you click here, you can see the information of references, creators, and at the right side you can see there are detailed information for that particular reference, information, note, tag, and the other related information you can add or modify. Now I am going to explain in detail all the option and the menu available in this software. So first thing you can see here folder and with plus button. So you can see new collection. If you click here, you can make new collection just like book, research, paper review. You can also make new folder using this folder and plus button option. So like if I'm going to add paper 1 folder, now you can see in my library paper 1 folder is added. This option you can also get using the file tab here, new collection. From here you can also add the folder in your library, and this is the option to make a new group. If you click here, this direct you the Zotero.org website and you can create a new group. You can see the group information here. This is public open membership. Anyone can view your group online and join the group instantly. So this is to make a group to create a library of related references. To know more, if you search the any group, previous group, search here like CD4 T cell. So you can see there are already present some group on the like website, CD4 CD8 ratio references and other groups. If you click any group here, you can see in this group there are references related to these titles. So you can use these references if you need, and here you can see group library. So in your web library you can see this is group available and you can use these references according to your requirement. So the next thing I want to show you here, in the my library there are all references and these references belong to these particular folder. Like in the book folder, these are the references of book that is available in this folder. So I have added the reference for book in this folder, and in the item pane you are able to see the logo here, and this denote this is the book references. And to know more about the icons, if you go to the help support and documentation. And here in the documentation, if you click here on the quick start guide, and I'm going to zoom it to just to show you. Here you can see the logo option, that is if you artwork, logo will be this, and for the audio recording, book and book section, journal article, letter art. So this is the meaning of logo that is available here. So on the basis of that, you can say this is the book section, and here the creator name, and at the right side here, this is the option for the attachment. If any references file have the attachment, that will show here, like in the first, you can see the PDF option is showing here, and you can also see if you click here on the arrow, you can see the PDF is attached with this reference file, and also the other thing, printable HTML and PubMed entry is also attached. So if you click here, you can see the information at the right side. And the next menu option is the plus button. If you click here, you can see the book section, document, journal article. This is for adding the references manually. If you click here, like journal article, and here you can see the in the item pane, a blank file is added, and here is option where you can add the detail for this reference. Like you can also change the item type here. If you click here, you can change the item type, like journal article, books, or any things, and you can add all the information like title, author, abstract, publication, date, volume, SSN number, and TO ID. You can add and save for this particular reference, and in this way you can make the references manually for anything. And the next option here, you can see if you click here, this is for searching the references on the basis of ISBN, DOI, PMID, and other identifiers. So I will discuss when I will show you how you can add the references in the library. And this is the option to attach any file for a particular references. Like if you want to add any file to this reference, just select the reference file here and go to the, you can also attach, like you can see here, URL and the link file, but I'm going to show you how you can attach the PDF file. Click here on the attach file, and you can select anything that you want to attach. Now you can see the PDF is attached to this particular reference. I'm going to delete this, move to trash. This is the advanced search option. If you click here, you can see you can search by the title, but if you want to add more things, you can just click here on the plus button. You can add many more things like title or any creator, date, year, whatever you want. You can just add and search according to your requirement. And this is also the search option available in the Zotero. And here, if you select any reference here, and you can see the locate button. You can see there is open PDF, view online, view snapshot, or any other option you can check. And the few things I want to discuss in the collection pane, that is the duplicate item. If you click here, this will show you the references that are duplicate in your library. So if you have that, just select the references here, and at the right side you can see merge to item, and choose the version of item to use the master item. You can select which one you want to keep, so like this or this. So on the basis of your requirement, select the item that you want to keep. So select here and click here on the merge. So your reference will be merged. And the next is unfiled item. So these are those references that you have not added in your any particular folder. That's why it is showing here in filed item. So if you want to keep in particular folder, just select those references, and you can drag and drop in any folder. And the last is the trace. This is the option if you delete any references for any from any folder, that will also present in the form of trace. So you can restore in library if you want. But if you want to delete your references permanently, select your item and click here on the delete permanently. This will delete the references from the test folder. So this is the basic thing about the collection pane, and few things I want to add in this section, like if you click here on the research paper and select any reference, at the right side you can see the information, notes and tag. Tag is very important. If you add any tag like T cell, I have added already T cell, but if you want to delete or add the tag, you can add here T cell. So this will help you to search the references in your library. If you type the tag here, that all the references with that tag will show in your pane. And the next most important thing that I want to discuss with you, like in the ribbon edit tab, you can see the preferences. If you click here on the preferences, that will open a new window. Here you can see the many other options available like general, sync, search, export, cite and advanced. And in the sync option, you can see here data sync. So you have to link your account here that you have already made free of cost at the Zotero website. So this will help you to sync the data from the web library to your software. And the next button is the reset button, and search option, export. You can set the setting for export. The next is cite, and this is very important tab in the preferences, and you can see the style available here, and here is the option to add the style in this software. I will discuss how you can add all the citation style at a time in this folder. And next thing is advanced, and you can see the advanced information about this software from this tab. So but I'm going to close this information here. And the view option is very important. If you click here the view layout, you can see now we are seeing the standard view, but if you click here the stack view, you can see the information or the look of the software is changed. And now if you go again layout standard view, you can see the differences. The information were here before. So I'm going to again, and you can also check or uncheck the pane and other information like collection pane. I am going to uncheck this. So you can see there is no collection pane. So you don't worry about anything if you not able to see the options. So just go to the view option and layout and check all the option available. So I'm going to check this, so you can see the collection pane is available. So in this way you can customize your view option or layout of your reference manager. And next is the for the font size, you can change font size for the note. So and in the tool tab, if you click here, this is the very important adds on. If you click here, you can see you can disable or enable the integration of your Word or LibreOffice add-in. So I'm not going to do this. And the last option is help. This is very important. If you click here help and select the support and documentation, this will open the window, and this is the most important thing that you can see every detail is available here about the installation, start guide, and adding references, item, searching, sorting, and everything regarding this software. You can get all the information from this link. And now I am going to stop this video, and I will discuss rest of the thing in my upcoming tutorial. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.